you have a short window, maybe 6 to 12 months at most, before tools like AI with ChatGPT will change the game forever. Right now, the people using AI to build businesses are winning. They are absolutely crushing it and they're ahead of everybody else by a long shot. But most people have no clue of really how to use these tools in order to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, how I use it, and why this shortcut won't be around for much longer. You're going to want to watch this from the beginning to the end. Stay tuned. Antonio Carter, Operation Emancipation, Occupation, helping you kick your 9-to-5 jobs to the curb, showing you how to make money online and everything else in between. This stuff works. Listen, this is the problem. This is what's happening and why people are being left behind every single day. ChatGPT is a tool that's being used to write scripts, ad copy, funnels, Facebook ads, native ads, PDF, high ticket programs, caption, TikToks, everything. How do I know? Everything I just named is what I used ChatGPT for, and it is working fantastic. If I'm doing it, that's one thing. But if other companies who are making millions and billions of dollars are doing it, then you can guess where this is going. Most people are still using this as a silly tool to like write poems and make jokes. I don't know about you, but I'm not into stand-up comedy myself. I can't do it. I don't have punchlines galore. Neither do I have the face to just tell a joke. But I don't know if you've been reading the news headlines. Companies are replacing people with AI on a daily basis by the droves, by the thousands. Listen, you can still get ahead. The AI shortcut is giving regular people like yourself and myself the cutting edge and a head start to launch products faster and easier and make a ton of money doing so. But this will not last forever. People will catch up. Marketers will market and things will become saturated. Once the internet floods with AI, only those who have got started early will stand out. As I told you, how I use AI and ChatGPT in my business, I've used DeepSeek to do some stuff, but I really like ChatGPT just a little bit better. It seems to kind of give more thought out responses to what I'm doing. But I personally use it to crush my TikTok videos. It's also been helping me crush my YouTube shorts. I almost called it YouTube Reels. That's not a real thing. And it's also helping me stay consistent on all the social media platforms when it comes to uploading video. I use a tool called repurpose.io, which allows me to paste on one platform and it takes that video and posts it on all the other platforms for me. That saves me so much time and energy, and I can be in many places all at once. And I would not be able to do this if it wasn't for ChatGPT. And so what I do is I go over to ChatGPT and I say, hey, what's up? Your boy needs some help. And I create a list of criteria. My audience is this, they're this old, this is what they like, and I want to target people who do this. And I also want to promote individuals. And I also want to promote this affiliate product. And I'll put the affiliate product in there, the link, and it will go check it out. And it will customize its criteria for me. So now I can say, listen, I'm doing TikTok videos. I'm trying to go viral. I'm trying to get views. I want to promote my product to this audience that you just helped me create. I need 5 to 7 second videos to create. And then it bangs out tons of content. And so what I've done is I've checked to see what's working and what's not working. And the only way that can happen is when I upload the content. I have created all of this 5 times faster than what it would have ever done. All the research, all of that stuff, I don't have to pay anybody. I'm just pumping out the information. As a matter of fact, this video that I'm creating has been outlined by AI. So now when I tell you that I was able to create a piece of content using AI and I got my first $47 sale for my first affiliate product that I ever created. Well, not ever created, but my first video course that I'm selling. Originally, it's $297. It helps. I created it so I can help you make your first $10,000 online in the next 90 days or less. After 10 people purchase it for $47, because that is the beta price, then I will bump that bad boy up to $297. But I created a video just like this, and I got my first sale within the first day or two after I created the video. That one purchase will not be part of the first 10 people who purchased. Just throwing that out there for the disclaimer. Go ahead, check the link for that down below in the description. I need 10 of you guys to purchase, and I will give you all a free one-on-one phone call with me to help you customize your game plan, being that you are my first beta testers. So that's how I use it in my business. But let me go ahead and give you these 3 steps to game plan your next money making venture with ChatGPT. The first thing I would recommend, this is Antonio's recipe to success. Find a highly converted high ticket offer. I love high ticket offer. Maybe that's not the right word. I'm just going to say good paying offer. I don't want you to do a whole bunch of work just to make $4.86 for commission or $9.95 for commission. If you're going to do the work, you're going to do the same type of content and you're going to promote something with a higher price tag. It's all the same work. Why not get paid $100 to $500 doing the same amount of work that it takes in order to do that for a $2 commission? Let it make sense, please. Like Digistore24 or clickbank.com. You're going to find that product. I love to promote digital products. I'm in a digital marketing space. I'm an affiliate marketer. Thus, I like to find products that help people change their lives, which is make money online. Here, pretty soon, once I hit a certain goal, I'm going to move over to fitness because I have gone through a body transformation myself and I'm helping other coaches with their coaching programs. I don't want to promote anything less than $500 right now with a 50% commission because I want to make at least $200 to $500 per day with my affiliate marketing. That can be your goal as well. That's good money for me. If they're not on those platforms, you can find a product that costs that much. You can reach out to the owner. There's always an email or some type of way to get in contact with the owner. You want at least 35 to 50%. Some people even offer 75% commission for their product, but just make sure that the product is highly converting. Then the next thing you want to do is go to ChatGPT and be like, yo, listen, I got this product. I need some help selling it. Can you help me create a system? Then Chat's going to say, what do you want? Emails? You want copy? You want Facebook posts? And you're going to say, yes, 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 everything. You're just going to pump out content. This is actually the really fun part. It can waste a lot of time if you're not careful because you realize, dude, this is literally doing everything for me. It'll create websites for you, landing pages, the whole funnel of VSL. It's really insane. But the best thing that I could recommend you do is that you take advantage of a proven system that is already working and integrate that with AI. What do I mean? I promote a program called Freedom Accelerator. Freedom Accelerator is what's allowed me to do the stuff that I'm showing you right now. I've been in the game for over 10 plus years, so this isn't new to me. Things such as email marketing is my jam. If you want to learn how I helped somebody generate over $20,000 with just a few emails, go ahead and click that link. Watch this video above me or below me in the description. But as far as really learning the new way of marketing, it's taken me a while to get to this point, but Freedom Accelerator has allowed me to do that. Go ahead, click the link down below. I've provided a free training that shows you how to make $10,000 per month with such methods. If you're interested in that, then you have the opportunity to book a call with me one-on-one. And if I want to work with you, I'll give you 8 weeks along with you taking me up on my offer with that product so that I can help you build your, but that takes me on to my next step. Step number 3 is post your content that is attractive. But the whole point is you're going to post content that is speaking to your ideal customer and it will help drive traffic to your offers. I know it goes without saying to post the content, but listen, people get scared. People get anxiety, and I understand that. It takes me a long time in order to create content like this, but to actually sit down and do it, I have to continuously let it flow. Once I sit down, I'm here. All right. Pick a time, create habits, post the content. Execute. I don't want no excuses, or else you're not going to be able to change your life. Stick with one platform. Don't go to all of the platforms. This is how people get burned out and stuck and overwhelmed. Pick one platform. You will figure it out. Make up in your mind that you are determined. This will be the only answer going to get results. Do not quit. There is no other option. You will succeed. Let me simmer down a little bit. AI will help you with this as well. It will help you create the content, tell you when to post, where to post, how many times to post, depending on the platform. Is it 3 times, maybe 6 times? Do this with a Instagram story. AI completely helps you with everything. I'm loving ChatGPT right now. I'm giving you the game right now, but I have to be honest with you. There is a sense of urgency. Right now, most people still don't understand what they're doing and how to use these types. The competition is about to explode, but you still have time. The window to stand out and grow fast is right now. So if you're serious about this business, no matter what niche you are in or market, I want to give you a freebie of mine that I just created. This is the Affiliate Marketing Starter Kit. It's a PDF full of daily checklists, actions, or tasks in order for you to complete. It is phenomenal. The goal is to help you get your first commission in the next 7 days. Completely free. I'm not charging anything. I just ask for your name and email so that I can know where to send the PDF to, the starter kit to. This is stuff that I do in my business. It's not fluff. Then the second thing I'm going to invite you to is obviously my affiliate marketing course. Again, I only need 10 people. Hook a brother up so that I can go ahead and create testimonials. I need testimonials. I want to change everybody's lives so bad. Make your first $10,000 in 90 days online. That's the goal. Go ahead and get it $47 before I bump it up to $297. And then last but not least, I already told you I have a free training for you. It's about 30 minutes long. I show you how to make $10,000 per month. I include training and how I do things, how I currently am doing right now for my videos to go viral, increase my followers, and put money in my pocket from affiliate products. It's my number one recommended product that helped me get to where I'm at. Go ahead, watch that. The video is free down below. Inside the description, anything of what I said makes sense. In the comments, drop me an AI. Let me know that you're watching. Let me know that this is making sense. Let me know if you are looking to get on this gravy train before things get too wild. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I need 10,000 followers, man. I need 10,000 subscribers. 90% of you guys who watch this video are not subscribing. So I need y'all to tap that button. All right, that's it for this video. I hope that if there's anything that you loved about it, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and drop me some comments down below. I also created this other video for you when it comes to making money online with AI. If you're looking for a more detailed way of doing things, I go through everything. I show you step by step. I show you my screen. It's not just me talking to you this way and delivering information. Follow along and you will get results. See you in the next video.